Thinking of switching to Red Pocket and keeping your current number? Here's what you need to know about eligibility. First, your number needs to be active and billable with your current carrier and generally has been with them for at least 30 days. Make sure there are no unpaid balances or active contracts tied to the number. Red Pocket supports ports from all major US carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, but international numbers aren't supported. Also, your phone needs to be unlocked and compatible with either AT&T or T-Mobile's network bands since Red Pocket uses both. Finally, you'll need an active Red Pocket account with a purchased plan. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is activating your Red Pocket SIM and initiating the port. You'll need to purchase a Red Pocket SIM kit or eSIM from their website or app. Once you have the SIM, activate it by inserting it into your phone or scanning the eSIM QR code. Then, start the porting process through Red Pocket's online portal and provide your current carrier's account details like your PIN or the last 4 digits of your SSN for verification. After initiating the port, you can track its progress in real time using Red Pocket's app or website. If you run into any issues, Red Pocket support is available 24/7 to help.